Bet. Yo, what's good, man? It's your boy Tate Trays, man. I'm back with another video, man. It's been a nice little minute since I've recorded a video. So I figured since I was looking at the charts and kind of going into my notes, writing down my trade that I took for the week or whatnot. I said, man, let me turn the camera on and let me record this process and post it on YouTube. Why not? You know what I'm saying? So, without further ado, let's get into it. As far as a quick update, uh, I did already trade for this week, and I'm gonna just go over that one trade that I took, and then of course show you guys why I took the trade. I am currently down like 1,500 or whatnot, down 1,200 or whatnot. So kind of down on the challenge, but it is what it is, bro. You know what I'm saying? So, uh, yeah. So if we look at EA from a weekly perspective, we've been bullish for the last couple of weeks. All right, bullish for the last couple of weeks. Like I said, I was expecting price to come and take out this slow. So we got two major. We got like a double bottom right here, right? But I am still low key bullish, bearish on on EA. Excuse me, I'm not gonna lie. But uh, as of right now, the trend was bullish. So actually, I'm looking to see, are we going to now trend lower, right, to come attack these lows, these equal lows here, or are we going to change and continue to trend higher and take out these old highs here? So with that being said, though, on the daily time frame, we have this fair value gap here that price is currently trying to rebalance on the daily chart, and as you can see, we put in a swing high here. But a swing high is basically where you have a high here and a high to the lower high to the left and a lower high to the right. All right, that's a swing high. So I saw that last week, and I figured, okay, price is ready to basically trend lower. And so the daily objective is to always take out the daily low like we did here. Take out the daily low here, take out the daily low here. Then we've taken out the daily low here as well during this week. So this week opening, all right, we got these big wicks here once again, and price move down very rapidly. So you can see big rejection here. Boom, we pushed up. This blue line is Sunday's opening. So this is basically price opening up Sunday. It traded below, right, and it gave us this big rejection. Now I knew that I was looking bearish one, like I said, because we had that swing low put in. We've had a whole couple weeks of a bullish run. At some point, price has to become exhausted and start to reverse and fill in that imbalance, which is below this 4 hour low here, and kind of take out some of these old lows. So this was a big price target for me, and these up here as well. So after price took out this low, and then it pushed up, and then took out this low again, but failed to close. I knew that price of next objective was to run out this buy side here, right? So price tried to take out this low here, failed to do so. A lot of people who bought here, that's still in buys here. Price came down, rejected. A lot of people bought more, right? So this is like big bullish strength to a lot of people, right? Thinking price is going to keep pushing up. You know what I'm saying? We bought here. If you didn't take profit here, you still holding. You didn't take profit somewhere here, you still holding. Price comes back down, fakes you again, makes you think it's rallying back up, right? A lot of people got in for buys here, but really what it wanted to do was run the buy side here, right? This is low, lower high, lower low, big rejection, and then run this buy side to then take out sell side, take out these old lows where stop losses reside. Basically wipe everybody out right here. So everybody who got in buys, if you didn't TP here, if you got in on buy here and then TP here, you got wiped out. Stop loss here, they got wiped out. Stop losses here, stop losses here, you got wiped out. Right. So I was looking for the sell objective. So once again, so why did I mention the Sunday opening? So Sunday opening price made this low, then we traded back above. Right. So I wanted to sell above or at Sunday's opening, which is what I did. So I took this trade around Asian session on Monday, and I'm gonna kind of get into just the logistics of this trade. So if we go down to the 1 hour, let me full screen it. Same thing though, right? So what did price do? I waited for price to run this high. Price ran high. I didn't fall for the fair value gap. It did close above, right? Tricked everybody. Boom. Kind of made that lower low. Pushed back up. It started consolidating. Right, price started consolidating right here. So it gave me that fair value gap, I believe, on the 15-minute time frame. Started consolidating, started rejecting, and yeah, it gave me that 15-minute. This was the fair value gap I entered on right here. I waited though, man, because price was kind of choppy. But it gave me that fair value gap here. Tapped into it. I got in. I did get some heat. I took a little bit of heat, right? But it's okay. So we got our stop losses. It didn't hit my stop loss. So, and that's another thing too when it comes to trading, bro. Is you have to trust your stop loss. You're gonna get some drawdown, right? So I was in drawdown. I could have closed, but why do that? I have a stop loss set. I set my risk. I accept what come with the trade. Right, so I didn't close. I watched this, had some drawdown, a little bit of heat, took a little heat, but price then took off, and my objective was this low here for a nice 103.4, 3.14. So clean trade. I could have took it to this low here, um, but I didn't want the. I wanted the low hanging fruit. I felt like this was an easy objective because once again, the markets can't do what they, it's going to do what it wants to do. Even though I knew that price wanted to come tap out these lows, I didn't want all of this. I didn't want this and this. Right? I could have made extra profits, but I don't care about that. This is where I want to take my profits at. This is all I needed, and yeah, the trade was a success. I didn't take any other entries. Right when we took out this low here, we had a fair value gap price traded into it. That could have been another entry. That would have been 2 entries to the downside, but I didn't take that. We also got this pullback was also a tap into the 4 hour fair value gap right here. I'll show you guys. I could have taken that to take it back to this low, but I didn't do that. So right now I'm kind of just observing, seeing what price wants to do next, right? Uh, so yeah, fair value gap here, price to runs into it after taking out this low, and then we run this low, and as you can see, we're rejecting this low now. So we didn't even close below. So I really just want to see what we're going to do. It's just Tuesday London. Tuesday Asian going into London. So I want to see if we are about to put in the weekly low and start trading back higher. Right, we've taken out sufficient sell side here, here, and here. Price might just want to tap that fair value gap, but it doesn't necessarily have to. It can fail to do so and push higher. So we just playing it by ear. We do got these two double bottoms somewhat, so I want to see what. Let's see. Let's go to the daily real quick. Okay. Yeah. No tap just yet. But I really wouldn't want to take any trades right now, especially any buys, uh, until I get further confirmation. I don't want to get trapped in this, and then price comes and runs and pushes up. So especially with me knowing that I got this fair value gap here, so it's okay to just sit for right now. Cool with just sitting for right now. But yeah, and then just prove that I took the trade. Since I am down, I've dropped my risk significantly. But here's the trade right here. Sell with a 10-cent lot. And I only risked $10 on the trade, whatnot. Made the 30, 1 to 3, right? So I dropped my risk a little bit. I still take 3 trades a week, right? So I want to slowly eat at this deficit, right? I could have risked the same 100 like I usually do. Would have made 300. I would have been at what's the name, but we're not here to try to rush and make money back and get this money back, right? We're just here to focus on taking good quality trades. And before you know it, we'll continue to eat on this. Think about it. If I win 3 of these, that's $100, right? So I'm just gonna continuously eat at this for a little bit, and then we can up our risk a little bit more. But neither here or there. It was a great trade for the most part. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm looking for EA right now. I want to see if price wants to tap this weekly. I mean, that daily fair value gap, and then we start trending higher to then take out this high, and possibly these highs here, or it can possibly continue to move lower. So that's pretty much all I got for this week. I might drop another video. I might not. Just a quick update, possibly. We'll see. But until then, it's your boy Tay Trades, man. I'm out. If you like the video, please do like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna holler at y'all boys later, man.